Hey there, it's me, Haswa with WTI, and I'm almost running out of this product, which is one of my favorites for my curly hair routine. But before that happens, I wanted to share with you everything I like about it. This is the Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Smoothing Oil for frizzy, dry hair, made with Argan Oil from Garnier, and I love this oil. Not only because it leaves my hair hydrated, but because it helps me manage frizz. It can either be applied on wet or dry hair depending on what type of look you're looking to have. In my case, I apply it on my hair when it's still damp before I apply the rest of my curling creams. I apply a small amount onto my hair and it helps me tame frizz. So when my hair is already styled and dry, it looks just amazing. And it doesn't leave any residue on my hair. It smells really good and it makes my hair feel smooth and soft. It looks really shiny, and I am already getting another one because it's amazing. So try it out, let me know. And that's my point of view.